Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix your boot up authentication failure in the HP laptop when you flashing from the USB drive. So here you will get a message, select boot image did not authenticate, please enter to continue. So to fix this issue, just go with the and press F10 key, the keyboard. Here you will get a option in the system configuration. Go with the last option, boot options. Just hit enter. Here just come down, you will see this secure boot. You can see secure boot is enabled. Just hit enter and select the disabled option. Now again click on the F10 key and exit savings changes. Enter the yes. So once you disable the secure boot, you will get a confirmation message to change the settings. Enter the code what you get on the display. So again I'm going to try to boot from our flash pen drive. See, I can able to boot from the flash drive. This is the fix the video. Thanks for watching.